Hello, everyone. Found something interesting at Walmart. Well, Josh found something interesting at Walmart, and I cannot talk. So, it's a retro pack. Yu-Gi-Oh! Front, back, comes with 4 packs, and 9 cards a pack, 4 packs at almost $20. Yeah, I don't like how zoomy that is. Let's zoom that out just a little bit. There we go. So yeah, let's pop the sucker open and see if we get anything worthwhile. Yeah, see if Josh still is the GOAT. The GOAT man. The dragon. There we go. It's always a pain to get these suckers open because Konami seal will shrink wrap. Oh, that's not a very sturdy box, is it? Ready. Let's pop it open right here. Okay, that's cool in a sense. Alright, put those to the side, trash to the side. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retro packs. I didn't even know these existed, to be honest. And, well, let's see what we get. So first up, pack number 1. Oh my god, that's easy to open. What the hell? Alrighty. Sonic Bird. Oh, really is. Retro pack. Cool. Shining Angel. Giant Germ. Let's go. Giga Power. Swords of Revealing Light. Y'all, I feel old as hell. Gaia. Elegant Egotist. And Twin-Headed Dragon with a Giant Soldier of Stone. Cool. So that was what? Number 6. If I assume correctly, so 1, 2, something like that. Magic Jammer. Hane. Rising Air Current. Manga Reran. This was one of my first cards I ever pulled. Toon Summon Skull. I have a misprint of that somewhere. Mongol. Wall of Illusion. Giant Soldier of Stone. So yeah, it's 1, 2, and then Trap Hole. The hell? Okay. Where was it? It was the wall. Okay. Fuck it. I don't care. We're just gonna open them as it is, and we'll count. We'll count and see how many from the back. Alrighty. Flying Kamamariki number 1. Giant Trunade. That's a weird cut. Upstart Goblin. Black Illusion Ritual. Hey, a Monster Reborn. So it's in the middle of the pack. Okay. Thunder Dragon, 7 Tools of the Bandit, Harpy Lady, and it's Censored Glory, and Twin-Headed Dragon. Okay, so no ultra rare yet, so let's see if we can get a winner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should do it. Flame Swordsman. Polymerization. Thousand Dragon. Jiraigumo. Mongol. The Giant Rat. Molten Destruction. UFO Turtle. Graceful Charity. Yep, so what we got out of it were Graceful Charity, Monster Reborn, Wall of Illusions, and Swords Revealing Light. Awesome.